Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today, September 6th, we are all here to commemorate and honor Bhai Jaswant Singh Khalra, who exactly 30 years ago from this date was kidnapped and killed by the Punjab police, the very man who uncovered the illegal disappearances and murders of over 25,000 people was himself ultimately met with weeks of torture and then brutally killed by that same government. Jaswant Singh Khalra was born on November 2nd, 1952, in the village of Khalra in Taran, Punjab. When taking a glimpse into his family's history, you can see that they had been standing up to injustice for generations. Bhai Jaswant Singh Khalra's ancestor was Sura Singh, who fought alongside Baba Banda Singh Bahadur in the Khalsa army. His great-grandfather, Arur Singh, was a member of the Singh Sabha movement. His grandfather, Harnam Singh, had been a passenger on the ship Guru Nanak Nam Jahaz that challenged Canada's harsh immigrant exclusion laws. From the beginning, Bhai Jaswant Singh Khalra showed a keen interest in combating social injustices. He actively took part in student activism in college and was even a student spokesperson for Punjab Student Union in Khalsa College. Not only that, but Bhai Jaswant Singh Khalra organized various protests against anti-police corruption and abuse of authority by the government. In 1981, Bhai Jaswant Singh Khalra married Bibi Paramjit Kaur and moved to Amritsar a couple years later. It's here that Bhai Jaswant Singh Khalra began working as a director for a bank. June 1984 marked a turning point in the life of Bhai Jaswant Singh Khalra and all Sikhs when the Indian Army attacked Harmandir Sahib. A couple months later, Indira Gandhi was assassinated in October of 1984, leading to the Sikh genocide, where thousands of Sikhs in Delhi and surrounding areas were murdered. To add on to this, the government and the police gave the police the power to detain anyone they suspected of militancy, resulting in many false arrests and disappearances. Seeing that many of his friends and colleagues had gone missing, Bhai Jaswant Singh Khalra researched information, which eventually led him to find files from the Municipal Corporation of Amritsar that had information containing the names, ages, and addresses of thousands of Sikhs who had been killed and illegally cremated by the Punjab police. At this point, Jaswant Singh Khalra had given up his job at the bank and committed himself fully to battling the turmoil in Punjab. Jaswant Singh Khalra joined the human rights wing of the Shiromani Akali Dal and became its general secretary. After investigating further cremation points and finding key witnesses, Jaswant Singh Khalra uncovered around 25,000 bodies of Punjabi youth that the police had taken and murdered under orders of the government. Along with that, he revealed the killings of 2,000 policemen who did not collaborate in these counter-terror operations. This information was taken to the Punjab and Haryana High Court, where it was mostly ignored. Knowing that no action would be taken in India, Bhai Jaswant Singh took his findings to an even bigger international stage, the Canadian Parliament. After he revealed his evidence and findings, many Canadian Sikhs urged him to stay in Canada so he could be out of harm's way. Jaswant Singh Khalra turned these offers down, asserting that he knew he might be killed, but he would see his work all the way through. A couple months after returning to Punjab, on September 6th, Jaswant Singh Khalra was forcefully taken by the police while cleaning his car outside his home in Amritsar. He was tortured weeks before being shot to death and dumped in a river. Despite all the warnings and threats from the government and police, Bhai Jaswant Singh refused to back down in the face of death, becoming an honored Shaheed in this month. It's our job to make sure we never forget the sacrifices made by these honored Shaheeds. By forgetting this history, we are allowing them to disappear again. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.